So hello and welcome to our another lecture in mastering DeepSeek, Llama and other LLMs using Open-WebUI and Ollama course by techlatest.net. So far we had covered a lot of things like course overview, objectives, then overview of Open-WebUI. Now in this lecture we will talk about overview of Ollama and like what is Ollama and like how you can uh, search different models on Ollama. So let's get started. So basically, if I will give an overview of Ollama. So Ollama is an free open source tool that allows users to run large language models locally on their computers. So basically, Ollama is a good choice for developers and businesses who want to build AI powered applications that are private and cost effective. So there are some features of Ollama. Local execution. Ollama allows users to run LLMs locally on their computers rather than relying on cloud-based services. Model management. Ollama allows users to run, modify, and manage a variety of LLMs, including Llama 5 and others. Privacy. Ollama gives user complete control over privacy and security. Then customization. Ollama allows users to adjust models to meet the need of their projects. Support operating system including like Linux and Windows OS, Mac OS. So basically, these are some use cases like you can develop chatbots, developers can use Ollama to create AI-driven chatbots that run locally on servers. Research, Ollama can be used for research and experiment with the open source and custom models. Then application, Ollama can be used to build a privacy centric application. So basically, this is the overview of Ollama. If I search on Google about Ollama, so this is basically the Ollama website, which is ollama.com. You can join Discord server. This is open source project. So if you are an open source contributor, then you can good to go for open source contribution also. So here you can see the GitHub repository. You can download it, or you can run on cloud-based cloud server anywhere, and you can run the models with Ollama. So basically, this is the open source project. And if you click on models, so here you can see a lot of models like the latest models, DeepSeek, Llama 3.35, Llama 3.2, Llama 3.4. Then here you can see the newest, like the filter option are also there. So basically you can search about the popular models, the newest release models. You can sign in here and you can also download it here. If I click on download button, so there, here you can see the three options like Mac OS, Linux, Windows. Then here you can also see a lot of things. Then apart from this, if I go on techlatest.net website, so here you can see the DeepSeek and Llama powered all-in-one LLM suite product. So here you can see Ollama is a robust platform designed to simplify the management of large language models. It provides a streamlined interface for downloading, running, and fine tuning models from various vendors, making it easier for developers to build, deploy, and scale AI application. So the LLM can be utilized via API integration as well as Open-WebUI based initiative chat UI to directly interact with multiple LLMs directly. My my OpenWebUI interface is already running, and I already explained about OpenWebUI in our previous lecture. So if you click on this profile section and click on settings button, and after settings button, if you click on admin settings, so here you can see a lot of things like WebUI URL and other things. Like now next, if I click on connection button, so here you can see the manage Ollama API connections. This is basically the port where Ollama API is running. If I copy this port and if I hint enter, okay, I think we will do first SSH port forwarding, then it works. So no worries about that. We will also do that stuff later. Okay, so here you can see the Ollama API option, and after if you want to pull any model from Ollama, so here you can see the API option are also there if you want to use API. And if you download any model, so here you can see the pull a model from ollama.com, and you can good to go. Then after this, if you click on model button, so this is the open WebUI interface. We have do nothing to here. I already show you like how Ollama API works and like where you can do configuration settings, and here you can see this is basically a URL. You can enter the API key of the model layer, then prefix ID, and you can save it, and you can also add a model ID after saving. After clicking the save button, you can good to go for using any model. So this is the like this is llama, and if you want to use our VM, so you can get all the things in one package. Basically, it is Open-WebUI, Ollama, and these are some pre-configured model which are come with this VM like DeepSeek, Llama 3.3, Mistral, Gamma 2, and others model. Okay, and yep, that's all about this lecture. That's all about the Ollama. It is a robust tool, open source. If you are open source contributor, good to go for open source contribution also. It have a wide community of developers. If you have any doubt, you can good to go for asking on Discord also. So yes, that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye. We will meet in next video.